Hi. Now, I use my Hero 3 Plus with an external microphone, which means removing the cover here and having all these ports exposed. Now, I have come up with an easy and simple solution to this issue, where I have just cut away the USB port cover here and left the rest. Now, the benefit of this is that these covers are easy to get lost and they are quite expensive to replace. And with my mod, basically, it now looks like this. So everything's protected except where you plug in your external USB mic. And I hope you like this mod of mine, and I hope you find it useful. Thanks very much for watching.